Max. Max is, how old are you, Max? Sit down, Max. Sit. Sit.
Maxie,
Sit, Max. Sit. Max is how old? 13?
No,
12. 12 is good. So, Max, you're going to open some presents today because it's Christmas, right? Is that right, Max? I'm going to give you your little treat and then you can open your presents. Here you go.
99 cents. Maxie! Can I get a resource present?
Well, he's not in the right kind of spot for it.
Look at him.
To Sarah from Sarah? It says from Santa. Oh, it looks like Sarah.
Max, that's not your present.
Maxie, I tried your present. Okay, buddy?
Max, get away from there. Max!
Maxie, that's my present.
Get over here. No, Max, that's not your present.
You want to help me open my present?
Oh, Matt, now, guys, I can't see it. Come over here.
Maxie, oh my gosh.
Do it in front of the camera so we can show everybody.
Too excited.
Open your present, Maxie. Okay.
That's not even your present, Max.
Yeah. That's my present.
I hope it's not
Get it, Max.
that'll get messed up.
Okay, hey. Let's your rate. Get 10 on 10. Let's make it. Yes. You want to hear that?
Get it, Max. What's in there?
Bum, 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 bum. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, Max, you gonna help me? I'm putting all of my stuff over here. Hey. Stop.
Max, you're tearing it up.
Oh, there you go. To Sarah from Mom and Dad. Two
Uh-oh.
presents from Santa.
Max,
You want to help me? Are you gonna help?
get it, Max.
There's nothing in there, Max. Holy cow! I know this is a lot of DVDs.
Oh, hey, I can't. Hey, Max, I can't see it. Can't see it.
Oh my god.
Oh, get it, Max. Open it. What's in there? What's in there, Max?
Oh, is that for you, Max?
Get it, Max.
Oh, it's a slippery.
What's in there? Open your present. Get it. Get it, Max.
Oh my goodness.
What's in there?
Oh,
Okay, somebody open it before he tears it up.
Okay, let's open it. Oh, the tree. Good
Oh.
boy. In there.
Get it, Max. What's in there? In this case, there's nothing in there, but he just likes tearing up paper.
I am very careful with Santa's paper. He is a very good rapper.
Get it, Max.
Who's that to? Hey, Max, you want to help me open my present?
That's tough. I don't know if you can get that.
Hey, go Max. What about this side? What about this? Hey, Max. Stop talking. What about this right here? No. Maxie! Open it! Some kind of dangerous. Oh, what is it?
Get it, Max. What's in there?
Maxie's for you?
You got like paper all stuck to your mouth.
Holy cow, I got a lot of presents out there.
That's for you.
Get it, Max.
Open it! Open it! Come on.
What's in there? Oh. Uh-oh, there must be something in there.
Maxie. Max. Where'd you take them? Good boy.
Okay, you better open it before he tears it up.
He already got a hold of it.
You want one of those ones?
Huh? Choose that. Oh, sorry. Wonder what this is. A big box.
Yeah, he put a nice hole in it.
You don't even have to open them, Mom.
Yeah, I know, he put a hole in it.
Bird tested. I knew it would be
Max, are you getting more presents? More presents? You like presents?
Sarah, get the present right over there. Over here? Yeah, it says Max on it.
No, Max.
Oh.
Max.
That's it.
The present monster.
You get that one way back there.
You getting more presents, Max?
Oh my gosh! I got a $50 bill! Uncle Ron!
Hey, get him lined up here.
Oh, that's from Uncle Ron!
That's cool.
Ah.
Is that good?
Yeah, I think that's pretty good.
Ready? You want this?
Get it, Max. What is it? Tear it up.
Get your present, Max.
Sarah, it's a sweatshirt for my lesson!
We did a good wrapping job.
Oh, I don't know how to do it. That's cool.
There he goes.
What are those, Max? Is that a bone?
How do I get that out?
Yeah, that's tough. Get it, Max. Can you get it?
I'm gonna open this one, okay?
Can you get that out of there? Oh, he's gonna work on it. You gonna get it, Max? Is that a toy or is it
It's like a bone for him.
a... Ooh, nice.
This is flavoring.
Gretchen, but you have other presents here.